Time travel with English, mastering prefixes for present events. Hello, language learners. Welcome back to another exciting journey into the English language. Today, we're going to dive into the fascinating world of prefixes, specifically those that help us express present events. Understanding these prefixes will not only enrich your vocabulary but will also give your English communication a great boost. So, let's get started. To begin with, let's quickly revisit what prefixes are. A prefix is a group of letters added at the beginning of a word to create a new word with a different meaning. Prefixes are key to decoding and understanding complex English words. Now, moving on to our main topic for today, prefixes that are used to denote present events. We will explore a couple of common prefixes in this category. First up is the prefix co. This prefix generally means together, with, or jointly, and it often denotes actions that are happening now or are currently ongoing. For example, coexist, cooperate, and coordinate. Next, we have the prefix pro, which is used in the sense of beforehand or forward. Though it may sometimes imply future actions, in many contexts, it's used for actions happening in the present. For example, proactive, project, and promote. To truly master these prefixes, it's essential to practice using them in sentences. So let's try to create some sentences together. With co, we could say, we need to cooperate to finish the project on time. Using pro, a sentence could be, she is a very proactive member of our team. Remember, the more you use these prefixes in your daily communication, the more comfortable you'll become with them. Well, that's it for today, folks. We hope this exploration of prefixes for present events has been enlightening. With these tools in your English toolbox, you'll be well equipped to express yourself more accurately and confidently. Remember, language learning is a journey, not a destination. So keep practicing, stay curious, and continue exploring the beautiful world of English with us. Until next time, happy learning!